Kiss her once for me. Have a hundred jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh my golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year.
Ready for breakfast or lunch? Come on, it's ready. Go back.
Have a holly jolly Christmas. And when you walk down the street, say
Hello, Kids
hello
Learning Row
to
with
Betsy
PBS Kids. Thank you for supporting PBS Station.
Oh, the mistletoe hung where you can see.
PBS Kids is your TV for the dinosaur train. Tickets, please. It's a treat you don't want to miss.
And in case you didn't hear,
Sure, some even say it's the greatest. You can say that again, Train.
Dinosaur Train is the greatest. Broadcasting WRLFM HD1, Raleigh.
And now I'm gonna
If your house is so cold you need to wear ski gloves indoors, call Progressive Heating and Air.
Are you ready for a PBS Kids Creature Quiz? Sure thing. What has 4 sets of eyes, travels in a pack, and sometimes looks like an aardvark, walrus, cheetah, lizard, falcon, rhinoceros, hippopotamus?
Brothers Pat?
Yes, the wild crabs. Together with their awesome creature powers, there's no animal they can't rescue. To the clouds. That sounds like a creature mission to me.
Wildcat.
Without you, oh, after everything we've got, thank you for how strong
As
I
kids,
have become.
things get strange.